Hey everyone, after 2 months I'm back in Benidorm again. So let's go for and explore the neighborhood again, because lots of things have changed over here, and one of those is unfortunately Joker's has been permanently closed. Let's hope they will find some other place to go to, but yeah, it's over here at this location. And many more things are changing, new bars coming, some bars leaving and everything, hotels expanding, so we're all gonna explore that in the upcoming weeks because there's loads to see here in Benidorm. For now, one of the first things I want to do now I'm back is head out towards the beach, right down there, over here the Avenida Filipinas. Got Hotel Presidente on the left, and on the right, Royal Arrow. But yeah, weather is beautiful for today, 17 degrees. And for tomorrow it looks like to be the same, but after that, from the weekend onward, rain is in the forecast. Temperatures will drop towards 14 degrees. So that is quite unfortunate. But hey, let's hope the sun will find its way through. And else, there's loads to do still inside. Thankfully, we still have that then. But yeah, it's January, so it's off season now. Prices have dropped. Pint over here, €2. One of the other things we can do as well, check out some prices here and there, because these are the cheap months over here. Just after New Year, Christmas. Then most of the bars close for renovation. People don't go on holiday anymore because they have, they just had a holiday with Christmas. So yeah, over here on the left, I've been hearing that golden dollar that used to be over there is also getting something different in there. I believe it was an Irish pub that's going in there. But I haven't been on the look and anything for all the news what has happened. So we're gonna explore those areas in the upcoming weeks. First up, want to get towards the beach. I've missed those palm trees, the promenade down there along Levante Beach. So let's go there. There we are, Levante Beach. Completely empty right now, but still 17 degrees. It does feel quite warm. But of course in January most people don't go sunbathing over here on the beach. But it's nice to have a stroll around. More people have that idea. In the distance you can see some other folks walking around. And hey, it's lovely, especially with the sunshine in your back we've got over here. Beautiful. Of course, down there on the other side, on my left, got all the bars. Got Caiman, the other one next to it, Tiki Beach. Oh wow. Lovely atmosphere, plenty of room to walk around everywhere. That's one of the advantages of coming to Benidorm in January. It really is beautiful when it's this weather we've got. And I should enjoy it, because in the weekend, in another day, it will be rainy, unfortunate. But we're gonna see how that works out. Haven't seen a lot of rain, thankfully, especially during my holiday in Florida, where I went to. If you want to see more of that, then click on the top right. There will be a link of a few cruise ships I went on with my holiday, and then afterwards spent Christmas with my family as well. Don't forget, do hit that like, and please do subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos of where we're gonna explore Benidorm, what all has changed over time, because as I said, lots of it has changed. Port Benidorm is building a brand new tower that is almost nearing finishing construction, because it should go on sale, I believe, the 1st of June. New bars coming up over here, so loads of places, bars disappearing as well. Loads of things are happening, new restaurants, so we all gotta go check those things out in the upcoming weeks. And as well, with my holiday just finished, of course there's no holiday coming up. In a week I'll be at Seville, so there's coming up a video of that as well. So plenty enough to subscribe for and to keep up to date of what is all happening over here in Benidorm. Well, of course, bars like this one, the Tiki Beach, is always open. So if you're coming here, especially beautiful location to get a drink at. Let's see further down the road a bit.
I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, something new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
Quite a lot of people still around, all those bars. Enjoying a drink in the lovely sun. Especially if you look like here with those palm trees, who would have guessed? It's January. Yeah, of course. The quietness on the streets, that is how you guess. It's January, but further on, beautiful. Even in winter. So if you're watching this and thinking like, well, I definitely want to escape and enjoy some sunshine, then yeah, gotta be quick, because this weekend unfortunately will be rain. Hopefully afterwards it'll switch and we get that sun back.
Old Benidorm, so just past that.
Well, also a thing I've noticed, usually I've got a sign over here how much a sun lounger is. €6 each. But these are the only ones I see right now in front of me. These few ones over here, the rest of it, they're all gone. Yeah, I know they won't die, they aren't used in winter, but I've just noticed it. All of them are gone. And yeah, probably they won't be used till beginning of February, I think. Then they're gonna return. I don't know yet. Maybe March. Let's hope weather improves quickly. But it could be. Full terrace over here at Arcos. Beautiful, isn't it? This skyline. So yeah guys, have you booked already your Benidorm trip this year? Let me know in the comments below when you're about to visit Benidorm. Or you're even going to visit Benidorm this year, who knows. Let me know. As well, maybe you've got some news updates, what has changed over here last few months. Let me know and I'll check them out. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget, do hit like, do subscribe. And hope to see you next time.